In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to get free accessories on Roblox. If you find this guide useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tips. Getting free accessories in Roblox allows players to customize their avatars without spending real money. It enhances the gaming experience by offering more personalization options. To begin, open the Roblox homepage on your computer or laptop. Once you're on the main page, navigate to the top panel and click on the Marketplace tab. This will direct you to the Roblox Marketplace, where you can browse through various items. In the Marketplace, you'll find a wide range of accessories. Some of these are available for free, while others require a purchase. To obtain a free accessory, simply click on it and then select the Buy option. You may also have the option to customize the accessory before adding it to your collection. Once purchased, it will automatically be added to your accessories. If you're specifically looking for free accessories, the platform offers a convenient filter option. On the left-hand side, locate the Filter panel. Scroll down a little and find the Price tab. Instead of choosing a price range, select Manual and set the value to 0. After entering 0, click the Go button. This will display all the free accessories available. You can now go ahead and add any free items to your cart. Feel free to add as many as you like. Once you've added all the desired items to your shopping cart, click on the cart icon located at the top right corner, just beneath the gear icon. Your cart will display all the free accessories you've selected. To complete the process, click the Buy button, and you will successfully obtain all the free accessories available in Roblox. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching,